How to make complaint in student portal using Smart School MIS. Enter your institute URL. Click on Student Portal. Enter Institute ID. Enter Application ID. Enter Password. Click on Login button. Click on Compliant box. Select Academic Year. Select Compliant Type. Enter Description. Click on Submit button. You can see here complaint status. You can delete here complaint. Click on Back button. Click on Logout button. Thank you for watching.